All hands hoist the colors high. Heave ho, thieves and beggars, never shall we die.
Good day everyone, I'm Engine Cadet Coral from Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering, Bravo Section, 2nd year, and today we discuss the importance of Load Line Convention in preserving safety in the industry. The Load Line Convention, officially known as the International Convention on Load Lines, is a critical set of regulations governing the loading and stability of ships, particularly cargo ships. Its importance in ensuring ship safety cannot be overstated, as it standardizes how ships are loaded and transported across the ocean. So, these are the importance of load lines in the shipping industry. First, we have safety. The primary goal of the Load Line Convention is to enhance safety. Overloaded ships are at high risk of capsizing or encountering structural failure. Adhering the load line regulation helps prevent this dangerous situation. So second is we have the legal compliance. The convention is enforced worldwide, and vessels not complying with the standards may be detained or banned from entering ports. This legal framework protects the interests of ship owners and ensures their vessel meet international safety standards. Third is the insurance benefits. Underwriters typically require compliance with safety regulations, including the Load Line Convention, before issuing insurance policies. Ships that adhere to these standards often receive better insurance premium due to lower risk of assessments. So, understanding load line marks. Every ship is assigned specific load lines. Every ship is assigned specific load lines marking on its hull. These markings indicate the maximum safety drop for the ship as the saltwater or freshwater, and they play a critical role in ship stability and safety management. Compliance measures for ship operators. Achieving compliance with the Load Line Convention requires diligent measure to the part of ship operators. Here are some best practices. So, regular inspection. Conducting regular inspection before loading and after voyage ensures that the vessel meets necessary safety guidelines. This inspection helps detect and potential issues such as hull integrity or stability risk. Cargo management. Ship operators must effectively manage cargo to ensure it is distributed evenly across the vessel. Proper stowage minimizes the risk of capsizing and enhance overall safety. Training and education. Providing training session for crew members about the maritime standards related to the Load Line Convention prepares them for emergency scenario and ensure they understand the significance of compliance. So, for the conclusion, the Load Line Convention is a critical aspect of maritime safety, laying the groundwork for ensuring the integrity and stability of cargo ships. For professionals in the maritime sector, understanding and implementing the provision of this convention is essential for navigating today's complex shipping environment.